Wow, it's been a year already. So it's time to get the airplane back in the shop and get that dreaded annual inspection taken care of so I can fly for another year. But luckily, I get to use one of the world's leading experts on the Cetabrias to do my inspection. So let's get it done. So it's annual inspection time, kind of wrapping up. Already done all the spar inspections and all the fuselage inspections and brakes and tires and engine controls. Just pulled the mufflers off so I can have them inspected and get the timing of the mags checked out, and then start putting things back together. Hopefully be flying in short order.
Of course, he passed inspection, and the cowling is off around the engine. That's what we're here to do today, is to put that sucker back on. But we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna get it done. Isn't this a beauty? Well, we got the cowling on. Got it all back together here. Got all the screws in all the way around. And here, that was a little tricky. There's the air cleaner boot. That was a little bit of a struggle, but we got it. And yeah, looks like an airplane again. Now here's Randy. He's underneath. They say he does some of his best work on his back. We're about to find out. He's placing these covers in the hole. And it's not as easy as it looks. It's not that big a deal, but here you go, in right here, Randy.
Okay, roll on the belly. Hold it in position.
What are you doing, Randy?
I'm finishing up the annual here, putting the air breather, air cleaner back in. Just about done. Oh yeah.